Happy Saturday. It is currently 5:48 a.m. and I'm on my way to work. I start work at 6:15. Don't mind my bed. Let's just block that out. I start work at 6:15, so I'm about to head out the door right now. It's still quite a bit early. My job is like less than 10 minutes from where I live, but I have to warm up the car and find parking and all of that. But I just wanted to start the day off with you guys. I'm just wearing a Nike fleece with some regular black leggings and my white huaraches. Nothing too fancy, simple, and I got my crossbody bag. So yeah, I just want to start the day with you guys. And so I'm back. It is currently 9:51. I'm on break right now. I'm about to head in about 10 minutes. And then I'm leaving for the day at 12 o'clock because we're going to IKEA. So I'm gonna leave here and then I'm gonna go pick up my friend and then we're going back to my house. And then from there, we're all just gonna go to IKEA in Jersey. I'm just here watching some YouTube videos. And then, like I said, in about 10 minutes or so, I'm gonna head back in, work for about an hour and a half or so. And then I will see you guys once I am out. So I'm finally done. I kind of left a little bit earlier than 12 o'clock. It is 11:55 right now, but I've been in the car for about maybe 10 minutes. I was eating fruit cup and finishing that YouTube video. But I left earlier than 12 o'clock, like I said before, because they were offering VTO at the time, like voluntary time off. So we were like, it makes more sense to just take the voluntary time off and save my time and not use PTO. Yeah, I'm not gonna get paid for the hours that I'm not working since I took VTO because it's voluntary time off compared to the paid time off, which I would get paid for, but I would be using my time. So I figured just not touch my time and just let my time accumulate and just take VTO for right now, which is, it's like less than 5 hours, so that's fine with me. Honestly, I don't really care. I planned to use my PTO before because I didn't know if they were going to be offering VTO or not, but they were. So I'm about to turn off this heat. Hold on. Right now I'm about to go to my friend's house. Like I said before, I actually told her at 11:30 was when we were discussing like the VTO whatever, and I was gonna leave. So I told her at 11:30 that I'm actually on my way. Says she's getting ready. So let's see. Basically, I gave her like another 30 minutes head start. So we'll see if I have to wait or not. House is not too far from here. So I'm about to go pick her up right now, like I said earlier. And then we're gonna go back to my house. And then we're all just gonna head to Jersey to IKEA. And I'm excited because this is my very, very first time in IKEA. Like, I'm so excited, you don't even understand. But of course, I will bring you guys along with me. As long as it's not like super, super crowded, then I don't know. But we'll see when we get there. But yeah, that's what I'm about to join. Oh shoot, my gas tank is open. I'm about to close that, plug in my AUX cord, and I will see you guys. Okay, people, I'm home. I don't know when we're leaving to IKEA yet, but she's been picked up. I didn't have to wait that long. I had to wait a little bit, not that long. So
what? 5 seconds. I was out the house. 5 seconds.
But we're home right now, waiting for my dad to come back, and then I guess we're gonna head to IKEA. So I'll see you guys when we are in IKEA.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me.
So we finally made it to IKEA. We're walking in right now. I'm super excited because, like I said, it's my first time here. But let's see what we find. I hope I find most of the stuff. The goal is to walk out with... Hold on. Anyway, like I was saying before, the goal is to get a dresser and a desk today. But I will settle. With one or the other. Yeah. But yeah, I'll settle one or the other. I'm trying to get a dresser or a desk today. I saw the legs. I like this. That's nice. I'm trying to find lights like that. So far, so good. This. I like this. Yeah. Well, not for a dresser, but like a regular shelf in the room. And then the little cubbies. I don't like this.
You need a dresser first.
Yeah, I know. I'm getting a dresser. I mean, I like this, but this is just way too big. I don't need all that space. Or maybe this. Nah, this one is bigger. Maybe this one. This is a good size.
I think that's it too. Yeah, that's it. Show this is it.
What?
The show on top.
Okay.
The floating shelves?
Yeah. The $20 one.
Oh, wow. I think so. If you get 2 of those top ones.
2 of this is fine. Did you measure your room? It's gonna be on the wall.
What are you calling this one?
What's the name?
Lack.
Take a picture. Or
2
who's
shelf lack.
recording? That's the one.
I got it. 2 shelf lack.
Yeah.
It doesn't go any more than that. Okay. Zoom out. Or this. I wanted something like this right by the desk so I could put like my books in there. Because I don't want to put my books on top of my desk. It's just going to look clustered. So I can put my books there so when I want to study. Yeah. So when I want to study.
So let's just
So when I want to study, I know, okay, I'll just take my books from here. And then put it on the desk. So let me.
What's this meant for?
I guess for like little decoration or whatever. Or small
bottles.
items.
Oh.
Okay, so Calax. You're looking at Lack and Calax. So I'm kind of at a roadblock on my desk especially. But I have found stuff that I want that I took a picture of. But we're on the kitchen side and this is just so adorable. This is like a washroom area. Like to do like your laundry. Things like that. It's really nice. And then we're in the kitchen. Oh my god, I gotta turn y'all around for this one.
Wait, no more. We could be dancing in the stars. We could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms. And it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad.
It says look inside. Let's look inside. Oh my god. Oh, wait, did it light up or that's just me? Hold on. Okay, that's just me. I'm
Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto. You already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me? Cause space makes me sad.
come back when we decide on what we're trying to get. Because there are a lot of people trying to just, keep it moving because it's still Rona out here. But yeah, once we figure out what we're trying to get, I will bring you guys up. This is so, I'm like, how you know this? This is so crazy. Legit cowhide, yo. Like you could, it tried to get me, Mary. It tried to get me. This is real. Oh, my hands look mad ashy. But this is real, y'all.
And it hurts.
Yeah, it's not even smooth. Like, this is so sad.
If you don't go the direction the fur goes, like
It's gonna, and I feel like it's gonna get itchy.
it sticks.
This, oh my God, Mary, they got the stallion. They got the stallion, Mary. Mommy, this is real animals. They got the stallion. Check me out, check me out, check me out. My hair is laid. You can't even talk. Let me back up. Ooh,
You can probably keep this in front of your.
no, I want a
Don't you have
big
mirror
one.
in front of the
That mirror is going. Oh, you mean in my room or downstairs?
No, downstairs. in
No,
the
we
front
don't.
door.
That's what I was telling him. Put a mirror here. He want to
Mirror,
listen.
yeah, before you walk out.
Oh my gosh, it's Groot. It's Groot and his family, yo.
Oh, look, this is Groot.
I don't know. I just said it because it looked like Groot. It's not Groot, but it's coming out the thing. So look. So we are home. We are back from IKEA. For the first time, I would rate my experience 8 out of 10. They had a lot of nice stuff, but it was super crowded, and I didn't have enough time to like look around to my satisfaction. But we are home. I didn't get the dresser or the desk. I know what I want though, but I have to come home and like picture where it's gonna be measurement wise, and then we're gonna go back sometime next week, hopefully, to go pick it up. So like I was saying, I didn't get anything. I have to measure and see like if, like I said, Mary, don't shut up. But I have to see like where I put the desk and whatever, if it's planned out right, you know, all of that. So we're gonna go back and pick that up. We're home. We did get a couple of decorations. I got like 3 plans. I'll go bring that and show you guys soon. And then we got like decorations for like the other rooms and kitchen, bathroom, whatever. It's not important to me because it's not for me. But yeah, I wanted to also show you guys my shorts. I'm wearing a South Park shorts. And out of all of them, Eric Cartman is my favorite. Eric is my favorite. If you don't like South Park, that's your own opinion, you know, but I like the show. I don't think the jokes are offensive. They're funny. The show is stupid, but it's funny to me, if that makes sense. I like it. My hair is laid. Don't even come for me. But I like it. So yeah, Eric Cartman is my favorite. And then Kenny. And I don't know who I like more between Stan and Kyle. I think they're even. But Eric, definitely my favorite. But yeah, so I wanted to end the vlog off here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe as always. And I will see you guys in my next video, or when we even go back to IKEA. But I will try to see you guys before then. Bye, guys. And thank you for the support. I really do appreciate it. Bye, guys.